Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to start magnetic field due to circular loop or coil. Before we study in this chapter magnet, types of magnet, property of magnet, magnetic field due to earth magnetism, and after this here I discuss magnetic field due to straight current carrying conductor, factor affecting the magnetic field in straight current carrying conductor, and to find the direction of magnetic field in straight current carrying conductor. Our next point is this one, magnetic field due to circular loop or coil. Circular loop means that straight line you will take like this. Battery, and that is one key also you will take here, plus minus. Actually you will take one table. Suppose this is table, and in between them you make the hole. You make the hole, and this portion you, from these two holes you bring here, and just down here you connect down of this one table, one battery and one key to make the circuit on and off. Here you spread now iron filling. After this what happen? When circuit is open, means you don't circuit close make, then what happen? All the iron filling are same pattern, they are does not change the position. But when you make the circuit close, then all of your electric current passes from positive terminal to negative terminal like this. Then when you make the circuit close, then what's happen here on the iron filling? You make the jerk like this on the table. Then there's all the iron filling are arranged in a proper pattern. And what is that proper pattern? I will discuss with this diagram. You will see here like this. Iron fillings are arranged like this. Here also same way. In this way. In this way. In between them, this circle is longer going away from the coil, and in between them you will get like this straight line. Then this arrangement of iron filling, what conclusion we observe there? Magnetic field due to circular coil are more concentrated near the wire or near the coil, and how many increase the distance, that much strength of magnetic field is decreases. In between them straight line we obtain. This straight line what represent this one? Magnetic field due to circular coil is uniform. Uniform here at the center of circular loop. Uniform. After this I will discuss here factor affecting the magnetic field in circular loop. Factor affecting magnetic field due to circular loop or coil. Which one factor affecting the magnetic fields? First, strength of strength or magnitude of electric current. Magnitude of electric current. Current. It is directly proportional. B proportional to I. How many more electric current passes through them, that much more magnetic field are produced. Means magnetic field due to circular loop is directly proportional to magnitude of electric current in the circular loop. Second point, it is directly proportional to magnetic field inversely proportional to radius of circular loop. Radius of circular loop. Circular loop. That is B inversely proportional to radius. Means this circular loop radius, how many bigger or greater, that much more less magnetic fields are produced. That much less magnetic field are produced. And magnetic field, third point, it is directly proportional to directly proportional to number of turns. That is B proportional to N. Number of turns. How many more turns, that much more magnetic field are produced. Then this is characteristics of magnetic field due to circular coil and factor affecting the magnetic field due to circular coil. Next I will study magnetic field due to current, magnetic field due to solenoid. Then first we learn what is the definition of solenoid. A solenoid is a coil of large number of turns. Turns, which one coil we study there, circular loop, that one discussing. Of turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely on a shape of cylindrical, which length is greater than the diameter. One example I will take here, one demonstration like this one. Suppose this is insulated material. We make the form of cylinder like this. What things keep in your mind? The length of this cylinder is always greater than the diameter of cylinder. Here it is. Which length is greater than diameter, and at which on this we wrap the insulated copper wire. And the end of that copper wire we connect a source of electricity, battery, and one key also you close there, plus minus. When you make the circuit close, then what's happen? magnetic field due to current carrying in the solenoid. Magnetic field due to current carrying solenoid is more outside the solenoid. Here we can get the more magnetic fields line. But inside what happened? Uniform, you see, straight line I am representing here inside. Inside we will get uniform circular lines. Means in solenoid, if you conclude that the magnetic field due to solenoid is more outside the solenoid and uniform inside the solenoid. After this, the factor, when you suspend this system, this solenoid you suspend freely, then this solenoid always rests in north-south direction. North-south direction means, and there one more, this diagram always asking in examination, then this diagram you keep in your mind. North where you can show and south where you can show. So many times asking, define the solenoids and represent the magnetic field due to solenoid. After this, I will discuss here the factor affecting the magnetic fields in solenoids. Factor affecting the magnetic field due to solenoid. First factor, same one. Which one? It is directly proportional to magnitude of current. Magnitude of current, that is V is directly proportional to I. Second, it is directly proportional to number of turns. How many more number of turns, that much more magnetic fields are produced here. That much more magnetic field proportional to number of turns, that is B proportional to I. Third, nature of it is directly proportional to nature of core material. It is directly proportional to nature of core material. Inside the solenoid. Nature of core material. Nature of core material. Material inside the solenoid. Inside the solenoid. Clear? Then the strength of magnetic field due to in the solenoid is, firstly, it is directly proportional to the magnitude of current. It is directly proportional to number of turns, and it is directly proportional to the nature of core material inside the solenoid. Inside the solenoid. After this, I will discuss here use of solenoid Solenoid is used in electronic gadgets to produce the sound. Next, use of solenoid. Solenoid. You can study this one. Electromagnet. Electromagnet. The magnet made by using electric current is known as electromagnet. Electromagnet. Use of electromagnets. Use of electromagnet. So many use of electromagnets. Electric bells. Electric bells. Telephone. Microphone. Electric relay. Radio sets. Television. CRO, etc. Means the device in which electrical energy converted to sound energy, there we can use the electromagnets. All these electronic gadgets, you see, their same work is there. That's why there electromagnets we can use to convert electrical energy to sound.